Today, we are going to make a quilt. And you'll just have to keep watching in order to see what kind. Hi everybody, it is April and I am in my craft room. And today we're going to make a quilt, and I haven't really figured out what kind of quilt we're going to make. As a matter of fact, I'm kind of in the mood to do a collaboration with my friend Di. Let's see if we can get her to come out and do a collab. Di! Di! Hey! What you doing? Di! Yoo-hoo!
April! Hi! Oh my goodness, how long has it been?
Oh, good. I'm so glad that you were in your room. It's been a while. I was thinking maybe we could do a collaboration.
I love that idea. Speaking of ideas, I'm totally fresh out.
I was just telling my audience the same thing.
What could we do?
So let's do something simple. You know I love simple. And maybe even pre-cuts. Simple, pre-cuts, that would be right up my alley.
I love that idea. Pre-cuts. But no fat quarters. Too much cutting. Let's keep it to jelly rolls, charm packs, or layer cakes.
You know, I have this charm pack that I have been holding on to forever. It is by Bonnie and Camille, and it's called The Good Life. I have 3 charm packs.
Are you kidding me? I think I have a Good Life charm pack too. Let me look. Ta-da! You know, I think I even have some yardage from the line. This was such a cute line. I have a ton here. Give me a sec. Ta-da! Check it out.
So let's split up the fabric so we both have the same amount.
I know. We have to both make a charm pack quilt with the same fabric, the same amount of charm packs. I'll send you some of this. You send me a charm pack. We'll each have 2 charm packs and some fabric.
Great idea, Di.
April, it sounds like we have a plan. We should get started, but what do you think about adding some navy blue? I just have some, and look how great that looks with extra navy blue. I'd like to add just one more color. Is that okay with you?
Hey, I'm easy. I could use some navy in my pattern too. I got my fabric in the mail, so I am ready to go. And the navy blue that I'm going to be adding is this jelly roll from Moda that I have had forever. So I'm going to undo my jelly roll, shake the dust off because it's pretty dusty. And here I've got the charm pack, the yardage, these strips. Let's get started with making the quilt. The first thing I'm going to do is a little test. So I've got this 4-patch, and what I want to do is I want to put this navy fabric on all 4 sides. I took 2 charm squares and I sewed those together using a 1/4 inch seam. And I took 2 more charm squares and sewed those together using a 1/4 inch seam. Then I sewed those 2 together using a 1/4 inch seam, and I have a 4-patch. Then I take this 4-patch and using my jelly roll with the Moda navy fabric, I sewed a strip all the way around, and I end up with this block. Then I take my ruler and my rotating cutting mat and my Martelli left-handed rotary cutter, and I end up with a wonky block. I am going to put this up on my design wall, make 10 more of them, and then I will show you what comes next. My quilt is on the wall. Well, the blocks are on the wall. I have my wonky blocks, and then I've been playing around with what I want to do for the border. And I think I like that the best. I thought about using the white with the hearts. But yeah, I like the scrappy with the dark better. So I'm going to sew these blocks together, add my scrappy border and my blue. I was able to use that jelly roll to border all of my 4 patches and to border the quilt. So I will be back in a flash.
Now I'm kind of wondering where April is. April! Yoo-hoo! Are you there, April?
Oh, hey, Di. I just got finished hanging mine up. What do you think?
Oh my gosh, your quilt is adorable. Check us out. The exact same fabric, 2 different quilts, and they both came out so darling. I love the wonky blocks. I think that's my favorite. Maybe it's your scrappy border. Isn't it hilarious how we both came up with a scrappy border?
So I had to copy from her.
Great minds. Are you going to quilt it on your new Grace long arm?
I think I will. Now let me see yours. Oh, I love that. There are little bitty pieces in it, but that is just so pretty. Great job. Thank you for doing this quilting collaboration with me. One day we are going to have to meet in the middle so that we can see each other in person.
We will have to meet in the middle somewhere. But I've got something for you, April. You know how you always end your videos with chocolate? Take 5, man. Here you go. Catch it.
Oh my gosh, thank you. I love Take 5s. I've got something for you too.
You do? Oh my gosh, thanks.
I threw you was small. You've got a big Reese cup. I don't understand. I think that when you throw things towards the west, they get bigger. And maybe when you throw things towards the east, they get smaller.
Thank you for joining April and myself on our Charm Pack Challenge. We had a lot of fun and we ended up with a cute quilt, and we really hope that you learned something from this. And if you did and like our videos, you guys know what to do. That old check the subscribe box. We appreciate you.
Well, I had a whole lot of fun making these wonky blocks. I like the blue. I love this scrappy border. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Eat some chocolate and be kind to everyone. Until next time, bye. Using 4 squares. Blah, 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 blah. I took my 5-inch blah, 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 blah. I've tried to make the wonky blocks. And then hopefully, and I don't know why I keep saying hopefully. I don't know what else to say.